everybody, I hope you're really well. It's Sarah here with your Home Heart Art activities with Generation Arts. This month we're looking at the seasons, and Izzy gave me a challenge. She asked me to come up with something that represents water, and she's thinking about rivers, waves, rain. So this is what I've made. Here it is. Well, I've been having a lot of fun with this anyway. This is a ribbon stick. You'll see I have got lots of ribbons on there which represent water, so you could do little river things or waves. Certainly getting me moving anyway. So for this one, very simple. You can probably work it out just by looking at it, but you're going to need a stick. I've got a little willow stick here, but anything will do. Go and have a walk, see what you can find. Something that is long enough just to hold on to, like a wand really. You're going to need some scissors and some sellotape and some ribbon or string or paper. This is what I've got here. So I've got it all in blues and greens. I've got some silver here. So I'm doing mine in watercolours because that's what I am representing, but this ribbon stick will work with any kind of colours as well. It's all about just getting moving and making something pretty. So I have cut these ribbons to the length of 1.5 meters. That doesn't need to be precise, but I wouldn't make them any shorter than that really, because you want to have a bit of movement when you move it around. So these are all about 1.5 meters. And all I need to do now is stick them onto the end of the stick, one at a time. So I'm just going to get a piece of sellotape here, like that. And I find the best way to do it is, let's start with this little paper one here. I'll bring it up close to you. Is to put it onto the end of the stick and then wrap it round. And then put your tape over the seam. Wrap it round nice and tight. Like that. And you're going to do the same thing with the other colours. I'll just put one more on to show you. You can put as many colours as you want, or just one. So I've got a piece of fabric here which was a bit of an old scarf that I cut up. So I'm going to put that one here as well. So I've got a blue and a green. Bit of tape here. Wrap that around nice and secure. Like that. I'm going to take a bit more tape on that one because it wasn't a very long piece of tape. Here we go. There we are. Okay, so I've got 2 on there and it's already really good to play with. There we go. Okay, have fun with that. I know I will. I might go and play with it outside in a minute because the sun's shining. Okay, see you soon. Bye.